Good morning, everyone. Look at this. Oh, how incredible is this? Look at these guys. Guys, you can see right to the bottom. It doesn't get any better than this. It really doesn't. Look at these monsters. So I have today off. It is our local fair. So we're heading over there again today, and we have it's a beautiful day for a fair. Look at them, guys. I've been working so hard to getting this water clear, and it is like amazing. It's so clear. Look at these guys. I can't even like. Oh. So, yeah, see, it's a little brighter here. The sun is shining. It's actually pretty warm, but cool. But yeah, these guys are looking fabulous, and I totally just want to sit here all day, but I'm not gonna, because we're going to the fair. I didn't get to turn on my new light, so I got this light around the top of the fountain. I didn't plug it in yesterday, but I got home late. It was a great night, which is why I'm off today. But look at this. Wow. They're like, it's the clearest it's been. I can see them right at the bottom. Okay, let's go over here, guys. Take a look at this. Look at those. Oh, it's a beautiful fall day. Yeah, I guess it is fall. Look at these. I just saw online, this local guy has an elephant ear. One of these guys, but a different variety. It's more like these guys, but even bigger leaves. They don't droop. They're up like this, and it's just huge. Oh, look at that. On another note, did everyone hear Eminem's having a grandchild? Or Haley Jade? Eminem's one of my favorite artists ever. So right now, not much that I want to do to the pond. Oh, I do see there's a pot knocked over right there. Things you can see when it's super clear. See, they cut through here and they just cycle around. Look at them. They're like, I see you. One thing I haven't got is that pump has a cover, and I have no clue where the cover is. So I will have to find that, but man, I can't get over how amazing it looks. Here they are over here. So next on tap is not much. So once it gets cold, I'm gonna chop these, but I don't think I'm bringing them to the lower half of the pond. I think I'm just gonna leave them here. The water's always flowing. And I actually leave, like, there's some over here that are in the liner, and I don't do anything, and they grow fine. So, yeah, less is more sometimes, and that way there, I don't even have to, like, last year, like, I got Rubbermaids filled with rock, and I brought them down to the bottom here, and it was actually, like, relatively difficult to bring them up. So yeah, see, there's a plant right here. I just leave it, and it survives all year round. So look at Big Mama there. She is amazing. Why don't we just feed them again? There's Moneymaker. They're getting so big now. So yeah, I just keep on trying to dig up all the, look at that. Dig up all the dirt and the rocks, and then I bring them over there now. Oh, look at that. So unbelievable. This guy here, this little orange guy, notice he like swims all weird. Right there. His back's all curved, but you know, that doesn't stop him. And then I got one in here that has one eye. Look at this guy with the blue and the red. So amazing. There's big, or blue nose. Moneymaker. Don't have a name for this guy. He's scaleless though, basically. And this is bass. Yeah, look how so beautiful. Oh. Just sit here all day. There's Plated, because he's a platinum. Minion, the yellow guy there, Big Mama. And there's Snake. What a beautiful fish. This one here, this red one is Big Mama, the behind the gator. That's her offspring. Look at that red guy there. Some monsters in here for sure. And you can see everything. It's so amazing, guys. You can just sit here, listen to the sound. There's Batman, our black one. Took us a while to get another black one. That stayed black because we have, where is he? This bluish guy, not that one there, that we got, and he was actually black, but transformed into a light blue. I don't know where he is. I don't see him. He must be over there. So that's the thing. It's hard to, sometimes it's hard to find them. Look at that. There's our one-eye guy, the black and orange. My wife really enjoyed him. They look so amazing, guys. I rarely just sit like this. The water's so pristine right now. And they're all like, why are you so close? Yeah. So amazing. So guys, like and subscribe. Yeah. Look, that's our Shabunkin. Oh man. One of them. That was the first one I got in here. I've had that one for a long, long time. And then we have, there's a black one we have. Oh. Look at that. So cool. Loving it. Look at this guy. Yeah, it's just so relaxing. You sit here and you just enjoy, and the sun's really just beating down. This is like my favorite time to come sit here with these guys because you can just see everything. Look at that. I love them so much. All right, folks. We shall see you later. Have yourselves an amazing, amazing day.